This new generation is more dangerous. Yes, it is. Privacy look like I never got it. They don't hate the man, they just hate the rap.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Hey, can I see your hand? I like the wrap. It looks good. What's up? The wrap looks good. Appreciate it, man. Good. Good.
Jacob, it's Jessica's the owner of the truck.
Oh, it is. How you doing? Jacob. Jessica. My wife's Jessica. Okay. Okay. Are these, what are they wired to? One on, half on, 0.3?
Half on. I used to be down at 16 or whatever, but right now resting at 15 here.
Throw that battery, they don't feel like shit. Maybe your brother.
Let me go look inside.
All these commercials trying to change our kids. This new generation is more dangerous. Yes, it is. Privacy look like I never got it. They don't hate the man, they just hate the rap. Smile in my face, but disrespect me late. They go that pretty smile from them when they need a fake. Beautiful women like collection plates.
Once it blows out, let us know. Mike said he got it for sale. I was actually gonna.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around. We got a Jessica system, an insane amount of power with 8 18-inch subwoofers on a lot of power on tap in the back. Pretty impressive to see them fit this much cone area inside. This was showcased at the Made of Steel show in 2021, Tampa, Florida area. The system is called Sub-Zero, so go ahead and give her a like if you haven't already, as well as comment what you like about the system. I was really impressed to see this much subwoofer cone area to be able to fit in a 6th order enclosure, and I'll talk a little bit about that in a second. So if you didn't notice, all the braces inside of the box, that really helps keep the box more intact because the amount of pressure that comes out of this, you'll see during the demo that's coming, is really insane. And the name of this truck is Sub-Zero. If you saw one of the quick walk around, they actually named their truck at the front Sub-Zero. Pretty cool, unique name. 8 18-inch subwoofers on 4 of these Wolfram Artic Wolf amplifiers. Amplifiers are rated at 9,000 watts RMS each. The lithium bank has got to be over 100 amp hours to support this much power, and I'm sure they have a 2 or 3 alternator system under the hood that I didn't get to. And if you don't notice, the way they have the amplifier rack is actually really efficient for airflow with all of the cooling fans to keep things essential and not from overheating and minimal vibration. So a loud system like this is going to have a lot of vibration issues if you don't amplify or put them in the right location for those amps. This is a 6th order enclosure. Didn't find out any of the specs or tunings of the enclosure, but there is a front loading wall there that doesn't have any kind of ports in place, but it's still a port area displacement for the subs to be able to pour out all of that pressure you'll see during the Subflex demo we're about to get to. And in the back, if you can see that rear port, this is what makes this the most fascinating to see. 8 18-inch subwoofers in a 6th order bandpass enclosure. It's probably tuned in the mid 20 hertz range. For that back port, the front port's probably in the 50 to 55 hertz range, and it's being wide open. So we're getting to the demo now. This is Jessica's system. I didn't really get a quick walk around of equipment. Sorry about that. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos coming your way every day on JacobViral, and enjoy.
Privacy look like I never got. They don't hate the man, they just hate the rap. Smile in my face, but this is